I know some mornings are so busy, and yes, you need to get breakfast in, but you don't have all that time to whip up something to eat. Here are 2 smoothie recipes for you to up your smoothie game. Let's get started. So the second recipe I'll be showing you today is for the smoothie. So for that, I'll add into my blender 80 grams of blueberries. I'll add some bananas. I'll add a teaspoon of honey. One-quarter cup of yogurt. And a dash of water. Let me know which recipe you enjoyed in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and smash the subscribe button. See you in my next video.